How to fix require password for additional purchases on this device, iPhone and iPad iOS device. If your iPhone or iPad is asking for a password repeatedly when making additional purchase, then here is how to disable it. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Once inside the Settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the Screen Time option available there. Once you tap on the Screen Time, again scroll down and there tap on the Content and Privacy Restrictions. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is, if the switch is toggled off, then make sure to toggle on the Content and Privacy Restrictions switch. Then tap on the iTunes and App Store purchases option available at the top. Once done so, you can see require password option available there. Just make sure that you tap on the never require if you want to disable it for free downloads. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.